Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I will show you how to log in Spotify using Facebook. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. Now, if your Android phone or iOS device, make sure to open Spotify at first. Okay. So after opening it, um, it will look like kind of like that. Okay, so now if you click on continue with Facebook, you must be need to log into Facebook with your Facebook app. Okay, now we are selecting our date of birth. Okay, so you guys have to do the same thing. So after selecting your date of birth, select your gender and write down your name. Let's suppose I'm just giving a random name like Shay Patrick. Okay. Okay, so here if you click on create, your account will be successfully created, right? Okay, so you get to choose now artist or something like that. Okay, so this is how you can connect your Facebook account to your Spotify account. Okay, now let's see if you are connected with your Facebook or not. Okay, now if I go to my Facebook, if I go to Facebook, then scroll down, go to settings and privacy option and click on settings. Now we scroll down a bit and look for apps and websites. Okay, now if you click on that, it will take a couple of seconds to load. Alright guys, so here you can see logged in with Facebook. You need to click on that and here you can see there are all the apps you logged in with Facebook, right? So this is how you actually can connect your Facebook to your Spotify account. Okay, now I'm going back. So I hope you guys understood how you can do this, and if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.